Hello guys, today we're playing skill-based boss fights once again. Okay, so you might be wondering why I'm in front of the pet shop. I'm gonna get my first pet. Yippee! Alright, gimme. Okay, it's probably gonna be like horrible. Where's my pets at? There we go. We haven't equipped it. What does he do? I wonder. Gain 3% health. Effect is quadrupled on your last life. Do I have him equipped it though? Unequipped? Then I press equip again. Okay, let's see if I can get another one. Or am I too broke? Something. Absolutely sure. Okay, and we got guest. Alright. Can I purchase which? Okay, so it tells me what I can purchase, basically. I press purchase. If I summon, I press summon. Okay, so we got a couple of pets. Let's see what they do. Alright, so. Ooh! Need that equipped it, and this. So is everything equipped it? No. Oh, you can only equip the one. Well, I'll take doctor, I guess. Debuff durations to so far reduced by 13. Heal with health. More health with healing skills. Okay. I'm fine with that. Okay. Oh, it tells me how much points I have in the corner. Alright, let's go save. Alright. So. Oh! I was so focused on getting pets, I forgot to tell y'all what we're doing. Alright, so today we doing a lightning round. So I actually forgot to spin the wheel to see what I get because I'm used to using Amber now. So what we're gonna be doing is doing lightning rounds. So what there's this new boss called I don't know how to say the name. Aetherian or whatever you say it. So you need 12 lightning points to get him, right? So we're gonna be going up against Purple Alpha, Chaos King, and Ignite, and doing random, random classes, and seeing how we do. Alright, for spin a wheel, we got Thunder, surprisingly, for the Thunder challenge. Thunder versus Purple Alpha. Alright, let's go. Here we go. Go to boss selections. Let's go. One. Oh, we want to do our friends for modifiers, lightning guys. Go. I'm scared. Here we go. Come on, start. Turn my music up. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's right. It did say right here. 15%. If I don't beat Purple. It's gonna be hard. I can already tell. Almost the boss whenever they use move. Ignite is I already have the extra health as a doctor just in case a lightning strike comes at me, so that's whatever. Oh, okay. So give me the boss here. Oh, that's right, different phrases. Okay. I'm only doing the first 3 bosses today. Later on, we do the Brick Battle and Straw. After I beat the this is so hard. I just realized how hard that is with Bubble Storm. long as I'm away from that bubble slime, I'm okay. What the freak? Just imagine Ignite then. Because doesn't he have that little eruption? No. I mean her, not him. Okay, move. I got this, guys. Alright, her call is dead. And I also like the new map. It's really cool. All the flowers everywhere. You know, I mean they don't get a lot of what's it called players. They don't get a lot of players on this game. So I'm glad to stay here and support, you know. Ooh. Next thing I'll be using is Mace, surprisingly. It's only surprising because the last time we used Mace for Chaos Game. So surprisingly, the modifiers on it. Let me check revealed. Okay. Oh, those little numbers at the top. I get it now. So once I beat Brick Battler and Strawvent, I'll have enough for revealed. Okay. Alright. So doing this lighting. I'm gonna just call lighting mode. Sweep it. Do the Seekers like explode out of nowhere or something? Like whenever they hit you, do they explode out of nowhere? That's my question. I don't understand how this works really, because it's Chaos King. And he has a different method than all the other bosses, right? So okay, for some reason they don't strike lightning on there. Oh shoot. This almost got me. Bam. It's a good thing I can just use a couple of destroyers to sweep this guy. So, oh my gosh. Leave me alone, leave me alone. I hate Seekers. That's why I said in my last video against this guy. I hate Seekers. I really do. I often hate Seekers. Is that just a random lightning strike? Oh, they come everywhere. Next phase. This is hard. This is hard. Nothing saving me from this. I'm glad they don't have lightning strikes when I'm in the box, so that's how it would be. Huh? This is not cool. No way. This just gave Chaos King a whole new level of hardness. Okay. No! Chaos King, stop! Yeah, I'm just gonna have to speed this part up. Let's see what he's trying to. No, if I lose to Chaos King, it would be so sad. Like, actually, I better not lose to Chaos King. No way, this brings a whole different level of hardness to Chaos King. I'm not even gonna lie. What was that? They're really trying to get me killed. I missed that completely. Wait. Gosh. This is hard. Come on, Chaos King. Come on, Chaos King. Throw whatever you got at me. No, no, no. Okay, I mean, losing parts on Chaos King is one thing, but losing to Chaos King. Now, at least he's not using his little order of Seekers. That's better. Ooh, the lightning strike didn't come from me. That's fine for some reason. gonna die to chaos scheme. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die to chaos scheme. Start being more careful now. That's the reason I'm talking too much. There we go. That made me so... That's unsettling. That's unsettling. Just the fact that I have to be striving like that. That's unsettling. Alright, next boss. Normally I'd be like, woohoo, I'm surprised. I got paintball. And wanna know why I'm not surprised? I did use paintball in my last video for Ignite, but wanna know why I'm not? This is a lightning round. This does not make things any easier. Like what? I gotta do lightning rounds. Machine gun, please. No, I'm cooked. Alright, guys, we're gonna have to put a first attempt on this. I refuse to believe that it made it this hard. I mean, when I was talking to my friends though, I did tell them that I'm not gonna use tape. So I don't know how to take this. I lost. I got B for brick battle. Alright. I'm still switching. Let me check. Aetherian. I only need to do B5 bosses. Done. I don't have to beat the other two today. Beat them after I come back from the details vacation. Which I forgot to tell you guys about that. I'm gonna do vlogs at a beach house. Starting tomorrow, probably. Probably. I'm trying my best not to lose my mind. The only reason I'm dying here is because I have something that I gotta aim at like this. Can I tap like the glove or no? It's you gotta aim at it. That's what makes it hard. I don't like doing that. Ooh, that ball did too much damage. I know I like this game because sometimes I watch other YouTubers play this game and it's just like I'm in awe. I can't even beat enemies. Yeah, I can barely be started, so still I can be started while I'm doing this, you know. Ooh, this doesn't have a healing. We all know this guy's not like. Where's she at? Where's she at? Regular stuff I would do. Sometimes I just tap stuff without realizing. I think he does have a very too much as well. Got him. It's closer, but it's not big enough to do my screen. I was not expecting that. Time for an option over there. I feel like he does the arena thing that is an option too. Gosh, okay, only BM. Which is my name. Gosh. He just comboed me. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. No. This time do I have to take combos? I don't care about your eruptions. Die. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you should have gone with Dark Crusader, boy. Should have gone with Dark Crusader. Okay, so I'm still wondering, how do you get points for this one? Does it tell you? Or do you just okay, so I should have 5, right? Or 7? 1, 2, 3. Actually, I should have 6, but I have 7. Anyways, that's all, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was horrible. This was the worst video. No, actually, Strawberry. I can't say this was. Because Strawberry actually took me 1 hour or so. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we will be doing Build Aetherian once I come back from the beach house. Now, happy for Build Aetherian? Then we can move on to Wilderness after I do a couple of